Hey, this is Jen Merritt from consciouswebpresence.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a widget to the bottom of your website um, that would connect to the Chamber of Commerce. So they had sent a little HTML code that populates this here. And you had asked about the spacing. This actually isn't a change that you can make in the website editor. Um, because it's in the code of their widget. So the workaround would be to just put the picture in and then connect it to their website because it looks like it does open up to their website. So I'll go ahead and show you now. And then the other thing you asked was about making it populate in all of the web pages. So your home page, the menu bar, and the warm regards and the footer. So this blue container and this up here, this is your header, this is your footer, and these are already populated as references on your website. So if I scroll up, you'll see that the container says reference. And on every page, the header here and the footer should say reference. So that way, all you have to do is update the home page and it should automatically update all the other pages. Um, so it takes time for that to happen on the web. If you wanted to increase the time, then once you populate it on the home page, you would open up all the pages and then resave them, and then it would be quicker. But it will happen on its own in any page that you've made a reference. So first I'll show you how to add this section. So the code that you gave me, I would go to this container here, click on the navigator, just make sure I'm in the right spot, and then say add content, HTML. Sorry, I had to move the Zoom thing. Add content, HTML, and then put that there. So this, you can change the size of a container. However, the size of this container, because it's not actually in your website editor that this is big, it's in the widget. So unfortunately, we are not going to be able to change that in the editor. But if you wanted to change the layout of a container, you could go to style and then spacing and then margin and padding. And you could customize spacing. Like if you wanted more space, then you might say 50 pixels and 50 pixels. And then save. And now you can see it's even bigger, but you can see where it says dosha bodywork, that's all the widget. So I'm going to go ahead and go back in, and then I'm going to go to this box. I'm going to remove the spacing. And then I'm going to right click, add content, image. I'm going to go ahead and upload the picture. And then I'll make it centered. And then I'm going to save it. I'm going to copy this. Add. Text. Paste. Add spacer. 10. Okay, there's something else I want. I want to go here. I want to grab the link, copy. Go to link, external, paste, and then make sure it says open in new tab, save. So now I can delete this. I'm going to put another spacer here and make that a little bit bigger. Okay. So now from here, let's give that a chance to work right. So I'm going to reload the page. Let me see. That looks very big. So now I'm going to go back into the website editor, go into the home page, image, with pixels 100. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Now it's not taking up as much space, and you can change this text if you want, and it still links to their website. Okay. And let's see. Yeah, give it time before it will go to all the other pages, because each of these pages does have that link. But if you do want to make it go quicker, then you could go to pages, open up each page, and resave it, because it's on there. But it might take time before like it actually loads on here. See, now it's on there. Okay, so last thing, so you know how to make a reference, or if you make a reference and then change it, you'll go to, I like to put all my references on the home page, but you can really do it on any page. So for example, if you wanted something like this to be reference, you would select it, right click, create reference. It will duplicate it. And then you could go into each reference box and select it. And then copy. And then go to another section and paste. And now it says reference. And so if you wanted to, I accidentally clicked on too many things. So just keep the references. Okay. And so, and then you can copy and paste references and take them to different pages. And then whenever you update the home page, it will update wherever that is on the website. But if you wanted to copy something and then you wanted to change it, like you don't want it to say new clients, then you would right click and then you would say convert. Oh, here we go. Double click on it and then say convert reference. And now it's no longer referencing that new section. And you can change it and it won't change the new one. So test. But the only way to change a reference would not, this would not be editable here unless I convert it. You can edit this on the home page. So I'm going to go ahead and delete my references. Good. And then that's how references work.